Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to share how to download and install Microsoft Office for free in 2023. Office 365 consists of the Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, and Access. We can install for free in 2023 from your laptop or desktop to get all the services. So after that, navigate, open the Chrome tab and search Office Customization Tools. Click on the first link as you can see, and if you have any problem, the link is also in the description below. So now let's customize the one we want to download. So if your computer is 32-bit, then choose 32, and if it is 64, then choose it 64. In my case, my laptop is 64-bit, so I will choose 64-bit. So after that, scroll down and click on Office Sites and then click on Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. After that, click on VISO and then select VISO LTSC Professional 2021 Volume License. And then click on the project and also select Project Professional 2021 Volume License. So after this, scroll down and click on select the variant and click on latest. Then scroll down and click on next. So now here we go to select language. So just go to select language, then choose your language. According to me, I will use English United States. So then scroll down after the selecting language, click on next. And then again scroll down and click on again next. After this, then click on Office Content Delivery Network. Then again scroll down and click on uninstall any MSI variant of Office including a Visio and Project. So click on this button and turn off MSI variant. And then scroll down and click again next. Then scroll down, and if you have any product key, then select Mac. If you have not, then click on KMS and then click on next and then again next. If you have filled this information, then otherwise if you don't have any information, then click on next and then click on finish. So now you can see all the configuration we have made so far, and then click on export. So after export this configuration, then click on Office Open XML format, then select OK. So after click on this accept the term and conditions, then click on export. So then the configuration will be download. After the download, our next step is step 2, find a deployment tool and download them. So open your Chrome tab and search Office Deployment Tool, then click on the first link, then scroll down and click on the download. It will be started. So after this process, minimize your Chrome screen and open desktop and then create a folder named Office 2021. So after the folder creation, click on the downloads and then copy this configuration file or cut, then paste in the Office 2021 folder in your desktop. Okay, so again open your downloads, click on this program folder and then right click on Office deployment file and click run as administrator. Then click here to accept the Microsoft license terms and conditions, then click on continue. Then select location of this folder and then click OK. After finishing the process, copy this setup and paste Office 2021 in your desktop. Once they finish setting, then open the prompt command in your Windows search bar. Type cmd in your Windows search bar, then open Run an Administrator. Then simply click on your folder and copy this location. And again back to your command and type cd space and paste your location and click on enter. Okay, so then type in second row again setup 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 slash config configure space config ation configuration.xml and then click enter. Okay, so after this our installation will be started. In this process, ensure that you connected to the internet connection. So wait the installation and it will take some time depend on your computer and internet connection. Okay, so now let's confirm the installation of MS 2021. Click on the Windows search bar. After this complete process, now you can search Microsoft Office in Windows search bar. You can also search PowerPoint, MS Excel in Windows search bar. Thanks for watching.